Hey, what's going on guys? So in this video we're going to be creating something which we haven't done before in this channel, that is creating a slider. Now there are basically two types of sliders which you can see. Now the first one is the one with the buttons to go back to the previous slide and to the next slide, and then there's the second one which has automatic motion and which also has buttons to go to the previous and to the next slide. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you the first one, that is the one without animations or automatic motion. So in the next video or so I'm going to be showing you how to get that effect. So yeah, let's get started. So we're going to be only using HTML and CSS, so it's going to be pretty fun. So hope you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, let's start.
It all started with a feeling. It all started with a feeling.
She's rubbing on me, but I'm loving this weather. Cali got heat, but her body's hot as ever. Yo, I got what I need, cold beer, nothing better. I'll keep doing me, margaritas in a blender. Her body's so tender, body so slender. Know that I'm a bender, never say never. I'm a go-getter, and I just met her. Baby, there's no pressure, just pleasure, yeah. She got a body like a diamond, it's one of a kind, yeah. 4th of July, yeah. Summertime fine, yeah. Wanna make her mine, yeah. Bikini tan lines, yeah. Shines like a diamond, she 9 out of 9, yeah. I could give a damn what you say, yeah. I'm living my way, cold beers in a bay. I stay out of the shade, I just live for today. Like a kid, I'ma play. Let's get lit, let's get laid, let's get big, let's get paid, yeah.
It all started with a feeling. It all started with a feeling. It all started with a feeling. It all started with a feeling.
Living out in Hollywood, yeah, man, I feel good, yeah. So misunderstood, cause we're young and we're crook, yeah. Everybody's hooked, yeah, everybody shook, yeah. Do it by the book, no, we do it like we should, yeah. Young and we're free, ain't nobody stopping me. I'ma drink 2 or 3, maybe more, yeah, we'll see. Cause it's just what I need, alcohol and the beach. Got the sand on my feet, and the girls in the heat, yeah. She's so bubbly, she likes country. Said I like money, now she thinks I'm funny. Baby girl, it's sunny, addicted to your honey. You know I'm always running, so baby, are you coming? And I know that I move quickly. So let's go, baby, come with me. I'll grab a bottle and a shot of that whiskey, and we could drink till the sun sets dizzy, yeah.
No chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply do to make you